Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save someone's Insta story. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your phone, then choose the story that you want to save. Go to the story section on the Instagram and choose the story you want to save. And I'll go with the story. Just click on the story and click on this share button right here. And you have to click copy link. After the link has been copied, we have to go to Google app in our phone, and you have to search for Instagram downloader. And after the Instagram downloader website has appeared, you have to click on it and wait for a moment, guys. It's still loading, and you have to paste the URL Instagram, like right here. Okay, just paste right here, guys. And after you paste it, you have to click on download. Click on this download button and wait for a moment. All right, and we have to click on download photo right here. And I'm sorry, guys, there are a lot of ads right here. All right, and now you have to click download button right here. And alright, guys, now the file has been downloaded to our phone, and we gotta check to our gallery. Just click on the gallery and find the story that we have just downloaded. And wait for a moment, where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is the story that we have just downloaded from Instagram. Okay guys, that's how we can save someone's Insta story. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.